Welcome to another video, and it's Saturday the 17th of February 2024 and we're here at Mow Cop. Very foggy, a little bit on the breezy side. I was hoping to get the self-flying drone up here, but let's go and check out Mow Cop Castle. Should be pretty awesome. Come and join. Yeah, just gonna have to use the iPhone at the moment, but I think it does look pretty spectacular here at Bathpool today. Wow. So Mow Cop was a significant site in the primitive Methodist movement. It was here that Hugh Bourne, one of the co-founders of the primitive Methodism, first organised an outdoor camp meeting in 31st of May 1807. Never actually looked at this picture, but check that out. So that was a meeting there, here at Mow Cop. Bourne and his fellows called themselves the Camp Meeting Methodists until they joined the William Clowes and his followers became the Primitive Methodist Connection in 1811. Camp meetings continued to be held at Mow Cop, and the 1907 meeting took place over 3 days, attended by 100,000 people. Special trains were put on as far afield as Sheffield to bring people to Mow Cop. Cool as that. Never read that in my life. Okay, so we've got the self-flying drone here at Mow Cop. It's a little bit on the breezy side, but let's see what we can do. So this is what I wanted to try and show you guys. I don't know how it's going to do following me up here. And it's doing a pretty good job, saying it is a bit on the breezy side. So we got that far up with the self-flying drone. The winds were coming a bit strong across here, so just had to land it. So let's continue this wonderful journey here at Mow Cop today. Okay, it's really breezy up here. I was hoping I could get the drone to follow us all the way up. Obviously I'm going to have to do that another day. So I hope you guys are enjoying the new videos we're bringing you at the moment. Murders around Kids Grove and local folklore. We're getting some fabulous reviews, and that's down to you guys watching it, so big thank you there. Hope you're enjoying Mow Cop this morning as much as I am. Well, it certainly is different today. And look at that, you can't see a thing. Such a shame people are starting to tag Mow Cop a little bit. Let's hope they don't do any more. Wow, I can really feel the cold now. Yeah, I was hoping to try and get the drone to follow me up the steps there, up to Mow Cop, but way too windy now. But hopefully we can pick the right day in the summer to come back to wonderful Mow Cop. So hopefully the mics are doing the trick, because it is so windy up here. Look at that, how spectacular is that? Beautiful. Okay, let's head up to the castle. Always like coming to Mow Cop, and we're so lucky we've got something as spectacular as this on our doorstep here in Kids Grove. Wow. There we go, guys. Mow Cop Castle on this very windy, foggy day. I would just love to actually explore in there. Amazing. Who's actually got the keys to this gate? anyone knows and anyone can let me in just to have a little film, let me know. That would be awesome. Just staggering how they built this all them years ago, and it's still standing. It looks as though they have recently done a bit of pointing around there. There we go, time to take in again this beautiful view. Hard to believe, right over there we'd be looking at Manchester, Liverpool, and then the whole of Wales, and over there would be city of Stoke-on-Trent. And the sun is trying its best to break through. Okay, well, hope you've enjoyed this pretty short video. I was hoping to do more with the self-flying drone walking around Mow Cop. That would have been pretty cool, but hopefully brought you a bit of a different video. Mow Cop looking absolutely stunning still. If you've enjoyed the video, of course, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel. We will see you on the next video soon. Thanks for watching.